next generation wallet. This ultra-slim trackable wallet comes in 2 models and 4 colors. Let's take it for a spin. This wallet is designed for those who live an upbeat lifestyle, looking for the perfect combination between practicality and style. Let's be honest, no one likes to fidget, which is why we designed a wallet with the fastest card access to date, allowing you to access your cards with the click of a button. And of course, it offers a variety of easy storage possibilities. Our wallets provide RFID protection against skimming and data theft, but also offer space for scanner cards to speed up your day.
Nice wallet. Thanks.
And all of this is packed into an ultra-slim and compact design. Hold on there, stranger. We're not done yet. Using Tile's smart location technology, we designed an ultra-slim solar-powered tracking device. The Tile app remembers the last place you had your wallet and is connected to a global lost and found network. Lost your wallet? Simply give it a ring to find it. Is all of this way too James Bond for you? Then settle for the Ekster iPhone case, offering room for cards, cash, an extra SIM card, and a reset pin.
Introducing all-new STRAPO wallet. Slim, secure, stylish, and functional minimalist wallet you have ever seen from Q-Link Designs. Q-Link Designs is committed to designing unique, innovative products that offer irrefutable value for users. By connecting the best talents and designing with a wealth of experience, we come up with the STRAPO Minimalist Wallet. Your wallets are getting crowded with all types of credit cards, debit cards, gift cards. Current wallets are bulky and heavy. Would you prefer a slim wallet? But slim wallets are never enough. So we went on into designing our own slim wallet which doesn't compromise on convenience. After several months of research, multiple prototypes and preparation, finally STRAPO Minimalist Wallet was born. Perfectly designed, stylish and functional wallet to meet your needs. It is made of premium quality, top-grain, smooth Italian leather, and ultra-thin design that does not compromise on functionality. Our minimalist wallet features a high-quality elastic strap on one side, expands according to content, and holds it tight. You can therefore confidently fit any content like GPS tracker, keys, earphone, receipts, business card, cash, memory cards. Simply fits all that your needs without fear of losing them. 2 quick slots on another side which gives you access to your favorite card. This slot is a RFID protection-free slot is open for your work ID card so you can seamlessly and easily access it on the go. With RFID protection, you can completely secure multiple cards in the inner compartment. With a smart pull-out strap, you can quickly access your cards and the strap will automatically retract. Here is why STRAPO is the best minimalist wallet in the market. Expandable strap for maximized storage, ultra-thin minimalist design, complete protection against RFID data thieves, convenient pull-out strap, attach your key to the wallet, high-quality smooth leather both soft and durable. STRAPO is the next level of wallet quality and functionality. Protect your wallet, protect your life.
Need to carry a badge to work every day. You need it to access doors and show your identity. We tested more than 50 badge holders and found many problems. At GOVO, we decide to make things simple. Introducing GOVO Badge Holder and Wallet. We over-engineered the construction to make it durable and easy to use. The cover is made by high-strength polycarbonate to fully protect your card. The enhanced structure on the back increases strength while reducing weight. The manganese steel clip allows you to carry the holder anywhere you want. The clip is secured by a reinforced structure to make sure it can sustain any situation. The metal spring holds cards securely, even when only one card is loaded.
This is the Anvil front pocket wallet. It's ultra slim with plenty of room, 2 card slots on each side and 2 vertical ones. The middle section is perfect for your money and additional cards. You can take them in and out very easily while it's still secure. It's made out of genuine leather, which is extremely soft with a great touch and feel to it. This minimalist wallet design makes it a favorite for thousands of customers and repeat buyers of this product because of how slim it is and the quality of the leather. Your credit cards will be protected with RFID protection, and you'll still be able to use any ID badges or gate cards since they operate on a different frequency. Within time, you'll be able to double up into the card slots. This way, you'll be able to carry more cards. Because of the quality leather, it will relax and age to perfection. We just took this wallet out of the package, and as you can see, it fits very easily. It's a great wallet that you'll love for years to come.